Howdy, howdy, howdy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, man. So, I know you don't have a website. It's cool. I have one in the making right now. The first step would be to get your GMB listed. That's what I'm here to discuss. The key elements of ranking organically. Now, I assume you're located near Los Angeles. Town, I'm not 100% sure. I would love it if I knew that I could get more specific with the video. Here we go. Hey Cortana, does ranking number one on Google increase sales? Business dreams of ranking number one on Google. The reasons are clear. Reaching that top spot or even one of the top three spots, which is the maps, would mean increased traffic to your site, visibility, and the potential for sales that catapult your business ahead of the competition. Fortunately, high rankings rarely happen by chance. They don't, won't, and never happen by chance. We don't leave anything to chance. In this, check it out. Key element number one, map listing. This anchors you in the town you desire to rank in. Right? Now, I will say this. You are using one of Google's tools, so the suggestion would be to optimize it 110%. Fill this out, every service tab, every little detail inside of here. Okay? Alright. This helps you build trust with Google. Right? And then once you optimize this, you don't have to do it twice to get on Bing. It'll just make sure you're verified with Google, and you can go to Bing. Right? So, next. Citations. Get citations by using your NAP info, name, address, phone number, as it is, same order it is on your GMB. Now, your GMB address doesn't have to be shown, but you will need that same address to start getting citations. Okay. Next, content. Content is the words on your website. They must be authoritative and relevant to searchers. Now, what do I mean by authoritative? Someone searches for film. Me, I search for film. Wikipedia was the first thing to pop up. First website, anyways. Because they have the most authoritative and relevant content on the topic of film. Right? Google scanning millions and millions of websites. They're scanning, like, especially your homepage. Lots of people like to put videos and nothing but pictures on their homepage. Google scanning for content to see who has the most authoritative and relevant content on the topic of whatever someone's searching. And it might say near me, CC has it near me. Whoever has the most authoritative and relevant relevant content on this topic is going to be pulled up first. It doesn't matter where you're at, what kind of search it is. Whoever has the most, you know what I mean? Whoever's utilizing these key elements is going to be pulled up on top. Okay. Now, I hope this was kind of informative, right? And it helped a little bit. You screenshot this picture. Alright. You can hit me up, dronemarketingpro.com. I'll leave the link with you. Download this guide. This will help you build that, this is the template you should use for building your website. I mean, you might, send it to, have somebody up a fucking Fiverr or, whatever, build it. But just know you should have 1,000 to 1,500 words of highly authoritative and relevant content on your homepage, 500 to 1,000 on your service pages. And if competition has more than that, guess what, bud? You're gonna have to do more than them, and also get highly authoritative background. There's more to it than just that. There's a lot of boo-boo. There's a lot of boo-boo on the internet, okay? And since 2012, this is what I found were the key elements. These are just the base elements. This ain't all of it, okay? These are some things you can do yourself, right? Now, if you have any questions, if you want help with anything, feel free to reach out, okay? Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.